September 30th, Saturday, Saint Jerome. Value of the Gospel. The Son of Man is going to be betrayed into human hands. Today's Gospel reading invites us to participate in the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. In the passage before today's Gospel, we see that Jesus heals a boy with a demon. But in today's Gospel passage, Jesus foretells his death. Here we can see that Jews are envious of the good deeds of Jesus and trying to kill him. When Jesus foretold his death, his disciples did not understand its meaning because it was concealed from them. This is also an invitation to the disciples of Jesus to partake in his Paschal mystery. This will enable our salvation and bring the reign of God here on earth. In the first reading, we see God's promise that He will come and He will dwell midst of people of all nations. This promise is fulfilled in Jesus Christ, who came and dwelt among us all. His presence continues to dwell midst of the people in and around us. When we reach out to them, reach out to Christ, as He says, "Insofar as you did this to one of the least of these brothers or sisters of mine, you did this to me." As followers of Jesus Christ, the gospel values must be rooted in our hearts. This will allow us to reach out to the poor, needy, voiceless people, and destitute. Pray and practice. Lord, our Almighty Father, help us to understand the gospel values and make us instrument in bringing the reign of God here on earth.